What's up, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. We are here at the most recent pickup here in North Phoenix. I purchased this property for $280,000 last week, and we are actually already finished with demo. I couldn't get in here before my guys started because they're very, very quick, but it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-story, 1,143 square feet, single family residence. So it's actually zoned single family. It's not a townhome, even though it looks like they are, because this is very, very small lots, as you guys will see when we go to the backyard. But anticipated ARV $375,000 with about $40,000 into it. It's a relatively new build, but it was completely neglected. It looks like it was probably a rental property for some years. So we had our guy come in here. It was $1,101 for all the demo, including all the cabinets that you guys will see were removed. Other than that, we're not tearing down any walls. We're not restructuring or reconfiguring anything. So hopefully it'll be a pretty straightforward project. You guys can come have a look at the kitchen right here. We will probably end up cutting this down a little bit, so it's just all one single flush granite countertop here. We're not gonna mess with the soffit or anything. There's obviously ducting coming through here. It's not that type of house. Get all new can lights, all new cabinets, obviously. You have one of your half baths downstairs, and we'll have a look at the backyard too. It smells good back here. So this is the backyard. Actually, I have Arturo here. He's gonna actually walk us through what we're gonna do. You can hold it.
So yeah, basically we're gonna do a 3-piece combo slate paver on top of the concrete. We're gonna just kind of throw some quarter-minus base on top to get everything level. Then we're just gonna do our cuts around the barbecue area here. Eliminate some of the foundation that's here alongside the fence. Clear out the rock. Grade this area, and then we're gonna do some 65-ounce Bermuda green artificial turf. And cap it off with the paver border and match the same paver border with the same patio we're gonna do here. It's gonna look pretty solid here, but
Cool. Yeah, that was it. I mean, I wanted to, he was here, so I was like, might as well get him on. He can explain it better than me. But this is going to look really cool because we're just going to basically go flush with the turf and the pavers. So that's going to be the backyard. Like I said, it's a super small backyard, so we want to make the most of it. And then we can head upstairs and... So this is an interesting floor plan. I don't know how it's gonna sell because it's not a 3-bedroom. I usually avoid doing 2 bedrooms, single family houses, just because it takes a specific buyer to only prefer and only need 2 bedrooms, I should say. But this is a little bit different because each of these bedrooms has their own bathroom. So it's a pretty cool setup for a certain buyer. You have a big walk-in closet over here. And then you have the same exact square feet, I'm pretty sure. The only upside to this one is you have a little bit of a better view out front, and then you also have a full walk-in shower rather than a corner shower here, so you get a little bit more space. We are doing showers on both sides. I decided to do that. Could have done a bathtub here, shower there, but I don't know what made me decide to do that, but we're going with it. Yeah, overall, I don't even know. Probably run LVP upstairs too, just to make it simple. Stairs gets really costly when you do LVP, so maybe we'll do a carpet situation. I haven't done carpet in a very long time, but this might be a house for it. Still undecided on that. Scrape the popcorn ceiling, and then just do a lot of touch-up work from the previous neglect from the previous owner. But yeah, that's it, guys. Quick little walkthrough, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well.